Hi, today I'm in front of the largest and one of the most accessible sinkhole cave in Qatar, the Misfir sinkhole. It's a cavity caused by water erosion about 40 to 50 million years ago. This is the entrance of the sinkhole. It is really impressive sight whether you are standing at the top or at the bottom. The rocks in and around the cave are made up of marine sediments that are formed in a warm shallow sea. Scrambling down into the cave is not that easy because we slip a lot. We can also see layering of different kinds of rock and sediment, and also hundreds of nesting birds, traces of small mammals also. We can also explore the beauty of desert and camels outside this sinkhole. This cave really adds a glimpse into the power of nature and the natural beauty of Qatar. Please check the description for more details and location.